I'm already disappointed by the results. Look at me in a toxic relationship with this tape. When it's wet, that means it's not set. Ah, it rhymes. When it's wet, it's not set. And then here, we could do the building. We could definitely do the building. But do we want to do the building? I don't know, I'm tired. Hello Syndicate, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I saw this video on Facebook. They specialize in like 4-column type of makeup, sorry, not makeup. I'm the makeup artist, duh. They specialize in like 4-column paintings with all different landscape designs in each of these paintings. I was really inspired by those columns and shapes and wanted to put them on my face. I got all these goodies over here and I'm ready to play. I got my mirror. Where's my reference? It's so pretty. Spatula. All right, let's get started before you guys leave this video. Blue! Why does it smell like shampoo? Oh, hold up, because I have my hair. When in doubt, tape your face. Okay, if I divide my face into 4 quadrants, yeah, or 4 strips, I guess. Bacon strips. 1, 2, 3, and that would be 4, right? Maybe I should have cut this so I don't tape my eye, but we're doing it for the artwork. Guys, I think I'm messing up. We're going all in. Ow! I don't know what I'm doing. It's because my face is curved, so it doesn't make sense. I'm already tired. I just started. Sky blue. Are we gonna keep our eyebrows? No. We can paint over it. Who needs eyebrows anyways? Mix it all together and you know you got the best of both worlds. You got the best of both worlds. Chillin', now take it slow, then you'll rock out the show. Is that the lyrics? Mix it all together and you know you got the best of both worlds. Who remember that song? Where are my Disney Channel fans at? We're going towards the horizon. And that's gonna be the sea. I know in the drawing that the artist did, they actually had a scene with like people, and honestly, I preferred it like right before they put people in it. So I'm just gonna do the part of the landscape and not have people in it because we hate people. Ah! People hate me too! Ah! Just kidding, I love people. I'm a lover, not a hater. And that's not straight! This tape has failed me. But we keep going with the same tape. I'm already disappointed by the results. Look at me in a toxic relationship with this tape. I want to do the green here at the end, but instead this one needs kind of like a purpley blue, and purple is red plus blue. Yay! So we're gonna add a little bit of red. Ah! Oh, it's on the carpet. No! 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 Oh no! There goes my security deposit! Moment of silence for my carpet. We're just gonna pretend that never happened because we are in denial! Nothing ever happened. Yeah. This is the middle of our face. We're gonna put this down here. Oh no! My face! It's broken! It's taped! Oh, that's a perfect freaking color! Yes! This tape is actually not covering, or actually not touching the bridge of my nose. I think I'm gonna come back to the purple, but then it goes like into a real teal. A real teal! Don't judge me, but I think there's like 3 months worth of brushes that I just have not washed. That's sitting in my bathroom right now going, wash me, please! Again, I'm in denial that they exist. This one needs a little bit of green, I think, but let me see how this looks. Well, that didn't really work. I think it needs to be brighter. We need like a sharp line. Tape would have been helpful for this part, but we're living at the edge, on the edge, at the edge, on the edge. We're living on the edge of our seats. That's not the term at all. That is so not the color I was looking for. It's okay, it's just lightly inspired, right? There's actually a color corrector. I like using this for like pastel tones. Yep, that's the color I was looking for before I put the rest of it on. I'm just gonna ignore my lips. Itchy, really itchy. Oh, really mother itchy, ow. I'm sad, I couldn't get the right color. Maybe there's like an eyeshadow with that color. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Ow, ow, mother, ow, ow, ow. Ooh, that felt good. Oh! You know, sometimes I think of an idea and it's not necessarily a good one. This looks like a train wreck. Next one, it's like pink and yellow. If you want to see the photos of the final look, please follow me on IG. Okay, it's not exactly the shade, but whatever. Itchy, oh my goodness. Fix it, fix it, fix it. For those people who are actually like looking at this and learning from the process, just know that if you have shaky hands and you're trying to do like steady lines, the trick isn't to just stop your hand from shaking, it's just to press firmly onto the skin, pull it a little bit, and as you're drawing, it helps you with the line. It's easier for me to control when I'm going up as opposed to down. I need like a bright yellow. Beep beep! I think this needs some white. Yes, that was a good idea, Cindy. Good idea. You do you, boo-boo. Also, do you understand how hard it is for us to draw a straight line across when your nose is a bump on your face? Protruding from our faces. That is what a nose is. A big bump. Oh, but it's starting to come together. I can see it. I can see it. Take it off, take it off. Oh, that feels so good. I got the last side of my face. Yeah, like, look, this is the paint. Okay, one more set of colors. I really need to not lick my lips. Ew. Ah, good. Good. Gosh, I haven't painted my face in like 2 weeks, I think. I actually painted my face 2 weeks in a row when I was going through like a really tough time because that was the only thing that was making me really happy. And by tough time, I was talking about like the middle of the pandemic, or at least the start of it when things were getting really bad. And I just like was really stuck where I couldn't do much besides stay at home and paint my face and kind of absorb social media as the only way to stimulate my mind since I couldn't really see anybody outside of that. I had just lost my job. All I did was just throw myself into my artwork. Back in high school and in college, whenever I was going through a tough time, makeup has really been like the way that I've channeled a lot of my emotions that I've had trouble processing. Now that things are slightly, I guess, opening up a little bit more, and there's ways to hang out in a safer manner, I've been trying to go back and be outside and socialize after really being inside for so long. And as a result, that means I'm not in front of the camera as much and I'm not doing makeup as much. And I think that's a constant struggle of mine because it's like, obviously I want to be really happy, but if I'm not creating the type of content that used to be channeled by literally depression, can I consistently do the things that I'm doing on social media while I feel like really happy, you know? I think I can, it's just I haven't found the right balance yet. Oh shoot, I messed up a bit. Ah, that's not good. Oh, that's way too dark. Ooh. Let's do it like here. This is where it starts. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I just blend on my face. You're like, oh, need some blue? Okay, smack some blue on there, yay! The only problem with this is you can't really predict what color you're gonna get, so you have to be very confident or reckless like me. Actually, this is not half bad. This is just the base color. I didn't realize how complicated this was. This was not a makeup challenge that I anticipated would take this long. I know it should be darker, but I think it's okay. Wow, I'm finally using the brown. Woo! Me, likey. Oh no, my hair. Oh no, my hair. Oh my god. I gotta powder this. This could definitely go completely wrong. I'm like really nervous about this. Wish me luck. Hee. Now here's the fun part. I get to brush all this off. Base done. Even if the blending's not amazing, when it's wet, that means it's not set. Ah, it rhymes. When it's wet, it's not set. Oh no! Well, that's a loss. Like, how much detail do I really want? You know, like, should I just keep it to the colors, or should I like make it an actual landscape? Maybe I'll do a cloud here. Yeah, let's do that. Do I do the cloud first or the eyeshadows? I have to do the eyeshadows first. I'm just gonna cover that part up. Oh, there's no cream there. Nothing to snatch it. Nothing to snatch it. Super base. Let's add a little bit. Much better. And then I'll bring in the teal on this side. Yes, queen. I love this color. Wow, these colors like really stick. This is a good primer. I don't think I've ever put primer on my under eye before, but I'm doing it because I really want this color to get snatched. Nice. 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 Oh. And the cloud's going to go over my eyebrow. Eyebrow cloud. Clouds. Done. There's a seagull over here. Boop. Boop. And then there's another seagull on the back. Boop. Boop. This is where we get to see it come alive. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm really getting in the zone. See? Can blend it out. Still highlight. Ooh. Yes. I need a sun. here. And then here, oh gosh, this is the hard one because there's actually like a building that was drawn. We could do the building. We could definitely do the building. But do we want to do the building? I don't know. I'm tired. Okay, we are doing the building, but I also need some stars. I would normally spray stars on my face, but then it's gonna get everywhere. So I'm just gonna individually dot them. This looks most unnatural, so I'm going to have to just tap it. It feels all like too similar. Like the stars, some need to be in the back, some need to be in the front. When you do it with cream, little by little, it starts kind of looking like measles. They don't look like stars. I don't like it. I have decided I'm gonna just add some details down here, and then I'm gonna use like the rest of like my dried flowers and my beads to just add like the avant-garde-ness to this, because this is turning out to be like very cliche, which is like not something I like. Yay! Now it looks like flowers. Okay, great. Dark green, here we go. Next, Bob Ross painting. Ooh, this dried brush technique works wonders. Doot, doot, doot. It's all about layering. These are just little dots, but it makes it look like there's a lot of flowers. And on this side, I'm doing white, because this is kind of like a road. And this is the part where the camera absolutely struggles to figure out where my face is gone, even though I'm right here. And it ends up just blurring me in and out because it's like, where did she go? I'm camouflaged, bitch. I just realized that this line is just like, it's not even like in the middle. Oh, I couldn't even get it right with the tape. What was I thinking? Fail, fail. Powder number 2. And this is the part where I just do random shit. Oh gosh, I'm gonna ruin this, aren't I? Everyone's like, no, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm making avant-garde, bitches. Okay, we'll start off like this. I have a bunch of dried florals. I'm just gonna start gluing stuff on. I don't know about you, but I, as a kid, used to collect flat back gems and just pretended that I had just had a bunch of jewels. If you guys are interested in buying the same jewels that I use and rhinestones that I use for my makeup, then the link is in my description box. It is an Amazon store with my recommendations on there. The trick with having like a really, really pretty jewel cluster is just to do like big ones and 2 small ones, and then a big one and then 2 small ones, and then just throw something else in there that kind of surprises you. Like that. You didn't see that one coming, did ya? Where's my glue? Just used it. There it is. I need more flowers. How long has it been? What year is it? What time is it? I don't know. I finished putting all my gems on. My camera died somewhere along the way, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep going. And I'm pretty sure my camera is tilted. I'm a mess today. It's okay. I'm gonna put on my eyelashes, and then I think I'm gonna call it a day. This is the reality of makeup challenges, people. I start off strong, and then after a while, I'm just kind of like, F it, I am done. And the rest is up to Photoshop. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, and this is the final look. Again, this is the original inspiration, and this is what I came up with. Now let's pose. Let me know in the comments if you like the right side of my face or the left side of my face better. So do you like the daytime, or do you like the nighttime better, or do you like it all together? If you like this video, then make sure to check out this one where I actually painted my face in under 30 minutes. As usual, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Day to night. I gotta go to sleep.